Just relax your neck.
Oh my God.
Good. Good job. Go and breathe in. Let it all out. Good job. Now go ahead and lay on your back face up, please. Perfect. Good. Good. Not bad there. On your side, face me this way. There and there. Good job. Now we'll do the same thing other side.